Today in this video, we are going to discuss how is it possible to cheat Honorlock Online Proctoring 2025 and what are the best tips and tricks to cheat on Honorlock. In this video, I will tell you the best way to bypass Honorlock Proctoring. Before moving forward, if you have any proctored exam and you need expert assistance, you can get help by filling the form link given in the description. In this video, we will try to find the answers of following questions. Is it possible to cheat on Honorlock in 2025? Is there any way to crack Honorlock? Can Honorlock be bypassed? What is the best way to cheat Honorlock without getting caught? What is Honorlock? Honorlock has many functions to keep an eye on test taker during the exam. Its functionalities include real-time camera recording, facial recognition, and eye tracking. Honorlock shares the screen to record the activity during the exam, and with screen sharing, test taker cannot open any other tab to search for answers. Honorlock can record the background voice, and if there is any noise in the background, it can flag the exam. Once the exam is completed, the instructor can see the video recording of screen sharing to check for any violation. But Honorlock can be bypassed by technical expert method where a custom software is installed in test taker device to bypass the Honorlock. As being the custom software, it cannot be detected by Honorlock. If you are interested in expert services, you can fill the help request form given in the description. Popular cracking methods to cheat on Honorlock method. 1. Using virtual machine. 2. Using phone. 3. Using mini notes, but it requires advanced technical skills. One mistake can trigger an immediate red flag. Success is rare and consequences are severe. Not recommended unless you're an expert. Best method at this time to cheat Honorlock is Technical Expert Method by Exam Archer, in which Team Expert controls your laptop remotely, bypassing Honorlock, and you just have to sit in front of laptop. Fill out the form in the description to get your exclusive Honorlock bypass solution. We don't take any advance payment until you get grades of your own choice. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe my channel.